Ever wondered how secure your mobile device really is? In the last decade, as we've increasingly integrated mobile technology into our daily routines, the importance of mobile security has skyrocketed. Think about it. Our phones have become extensions of ourselves. They hold our personal information, financial data, and memories. With this treasure trove of data, they've become a prime target for cybercriminals. Unsecured mobile devices pose significant risks. There's the potential for data theft, where your personal and financial information could end up in the wrong hands. Imagine your identity being stolen or your bank account drained. Then there's the risk of privacy invasion, where your personal photos, messages, and even your physical location can be accessed without your consent. And let's not forget about financial loss. A single security breach could lead to significant monetary losses. With the stakes this high, it's crucial to understand and implement security controls on our mobile devices. But what exactly are these security controls we're talking about? Well, security controls are measures taken to protect against threats to information security. They help us safeguard our digital life from a myriad of potential risks lurking in the cyber world. These controls are like invisible shields that keep our data and devices safe from unauthorized access, tampering, or loss. There are different types of controls that we use to ensure our digital safety. First, let's talk about administrative controls. These are the policies and procedures designed to manage and monitor the organization's operational process. Think of them as the rule books that guide us on how to behave in the digital space. What to share, what not to share, and so on. Next, we have physical controls. These are the tangible measures taken to protect the physical components of the information system. This could be anything from locking the server room, using biometric access controls, or even installing surveillance cameras to monitor physical access to sensitive areas. Then, there are technical controls, which are the hardware and software mechanisms used to protect systems and data. These include firewalls, encryption, and antivirus software. These tools are like the bodyguards of your system, always on the lookout for any potential threats and ready to take action. But why are these controls so important? Well, they play a vital role in maintaining the three pillars of information security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, also known as the CIA triad. Confidentiality ensures that information is accessible only to those authorized to have access. Integrity means that the information is accurate and can't be modified without authorization. And availability ensures that the information is accessible to authorized users when they need it. These controls work in harmony to create a robust defense system against potential cyber threats. They help maintain a balance between protecting information and making sure it's accessible to those who need it, without compromising its integrity. Now that we have a basic understanding of security controls, let's dive into how you can implement them on your mobile device. The first step towards securing our mobile devices is to recognize the importance of regular updates. Indeed, updates play a crucial role in keeping our devices safe from the ever-evolving world of cyber threats. You see, manufacturers and app developers are constantly working to stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. They regularly release updates to their operating systems and applications, which often include security patches designed to fix known vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities, if left unpatched, can serve as open doors for hackers to access and manipulate your device. By keeping your device and apps up to date, you are effectively closing these doors and making it that much harder for cybercriminals to infiltrate your device. But that's not all. There are other basic controls that you can implement to further secure your mobile device. One such control is the use of strong, unique passwords. A strong password is like a sturdy lock on a door. It can deter most casual thieves. Try to use a mix of numbers, letters, and special characters, and avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or pet's name. Additionally, ensure that each of your accounts has a unique password. This way, even if one account is compromised, the rest remain safe. Another essential control is two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. This could be a text message, an email, or even a fingerprint. Even if a hacker manages to crack your password, they would still need this second form of verification to access your account. These measures, while simple, form the foundation of mobile device security. They may not make your device impervious to all threats, but they significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to a cyber attack. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So, stay updated, use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Beyond these basic measures, there are more advanced controls you can employ to further secure your device. One such control is encrypting sensitive data. Encryption is like a secret code, ensuring that only those with the key can access the information. It's like putting your data in a safe and only you have the combination. Another advanced control is the use of a virtual private network, or VPN for short. This tool creates a secure connection over the internet, hiding your online activities from prying eyes. Imagine it as a private tunnel through the internet, keeping your data safe and secure. In addition, consider installing reputable security apps. These applications act as a digital bodyguard for your device, warding off malware and other potential threats. It's like having a security guard at the entrance of your digital home, checking each visitor before they enter. However, these controls are not foolproof. You must also be cautious when downloading apps and clicking on links. Not everything on the internet can be trusted. Think of it as a bustling city, where you need to be careful of pickpockets and con artists. By taking these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your mobile device. Securing your mobile device might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. We've journeyed through the significance of mobile security, unraveled the mystery of security controls, and walked step by step down the path to implementation. It's clear that mobile security isn't a luxury, but a necessity in our connected world. Let's not wait for a breach to happen. Let's take action, fortify our defenses, and safeguard our digital lives. Remember, the security of your mobile device is in your hands. Make it a priority.